Okay, everybody's calling me at the same time. So somebody was calling me for taxi, you say again, from the ramp?
300 Juliet Whiskey coming out at Juliet with Quebec.
At 300 Juliet Whiskey, Roger. Hold short of Juliet.
Hold short of Juliet, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Just hold your position right there. I do have a jet that's going to be coming inbound on Juliet.
Roger.
Do you feel comfortable making the right-hand turn to go out Sierra?
We can do that.
Roger, you can make the right turn and then runway 29, taxi via Sierra Echo.
Sierra Echo going to 29, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Just verify you're going out VFR today?
No, 300 Juliet Whiskey. I just picked up my IFR on clearance.
Yeah, I'm not. Okay.
Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, runway 29er, line up and wait traffic on extended downwind.
Okay, line up and wait 29, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
This is 604, turn left at Foxtrot, contact ground.
Let the Foxtrot contact ground, exact 604.
Upjet 94, you can start your base, runway 29er, clear to land, and 1 departure prior to arrival.
Start the base, clear to land 29, Upjet 94.
Zero Juliet Whiskey, flight runway heading, runway 29, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear to go 29, 300 Juliet Whiskey. Tailwind takeoff, powers achieved, airspeed's alive, 70 knots.
November 8 Bravo Alpha, you're looking for a citation traffic on he's on about a 2-mile left base. Let me know once you have that traffic in sight.
Traffic in sight, Bravo Alpha.
Okay, Bravo Alpha, follow the traffic, runway 29er, clear, touch and go, number 2.
We'll follow that traffic, runway 29er, clear, touch and go, number 2, A Bravo Alpha.
One to go.
Station is 0 Juliet Whiskey, contact Boston departure.
Over to departure, 300 Juliet Whiskey, good day.
Southbound into Logan.
We'll use caution for the active runway in Logan. Could you repeat the instruction for Beverly 202?
75202 is approved through Beverly Class Delta at 2,500.
Approved through Beverly at 2,500, 202.
November 1 Victor Romeo, descend to maintain 1,800. Bedford, 2 o'clock, 8 miles.
1,800 feet, Bedford is in sight, 221 Victor Romeo.
November 1 Victor Romeo, cleared visual approach, runway 29er.
Clear the visual, the runway's 29er.
Boston, citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, 2,000 runway heading off Hanscom.
100 Julie Whiskey, climb and maintain 3,000, your radar contact.
3,000, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
No, 0 Julie Whiskey, turn left 190 for climb.
190, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
November 221 Victor Romeo, contact Bedford Tower, 118.5.
Tower, 221 Victor Romeo, good morning and thank you.
Corey, take care of yourself. November 300 Julie Whiskey, contact departure, 133.0.
330, 0 Juliet Whiskey. 330.
Alright, 190 and 20.6, JetBlue 1324. Boston, good morning, Q205, 1,000, climb at 3,000, 300.
Q205, departure radar contact, climb and maintain 4,000.
Close in 4,000, Q205.
Departure citation 300 Juliet Whiskey is leveling 3,190 on the heading.
Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, Boston first, climb and maintain 14,000.
14,000, 0 Juliet Whiskey. Boston citation 300 Juliet Whiskey is 19.5, climbing 230.
November 300 Juliet Whiskey, Boston low, climb and maintain frontal 430.
430, 0 Juliet Whiskey. Alright, that might be what I found. I have to look, I think I did. Let's see. Yeah, 43. I had to change it in the box, what'd I do? Yeah, 430. Alright, let's get that in there. That's good. That's good. That's good. Alright, we're going to show you the Starlink. Right now I just have the Starlink Mini sitting on the dash. It's on a little rubber pad. I got one of those little pads like that you use for a router. If you got a piece of wood you're going to set on a table, put it on that little, so the wood doesn't move so you can route the edges. So it's just like a non-skid pad. It's not as non-skid as I'd like, so I did buy a silicone mat for it, but it didn't move. I just got it laying up there. It's not in any kind of mount or anything. It's just laying there, and it's plugged into the AC power, which works good. It's working good. But I was curious, you know, when I gassed on it, accelerating down the runway, to see if it moved. It didn't move at all. I was a little concerned, because it does put you back in the seat a little bit. But it didn't move, so that's good. That was really my only concern, is on takeoff. But look, I got my emails, comes up, right? That's no big deal, because GoGo, we used to get that pretty good. But look, here's Facebook. Facebook used to never pull up. I'm pulling up pictures. Look at here, pictures. Yes, look how quick it is. Another very, what do you call it, needs good internet to work is YouTube. Look, YouTube's working. Look, I'm playing my movie, my own video, playing right there. Boom. It's playing. I can't hear. I could pipe it through my headset and listen to it, so that's working. See, like it's playing a YouTube video. That's crazy. And then FlightAware is very tough. Look, we'll pull up FlightAware. This is faster than my home internet. Fast as it clicks. So there you go. Look at there. The internet speeds. I don't have one of those speed tests.
November 156 Whiskey Juliet cross straight.
But I've witnessed it in the M2.
Trader 2406 Whiskey Juliet.
It did a really good job. You confirm my route. Gordonsville, Lynchburg. There we go. So anyway, so that works good. So there you have it. They're able to stream stuff.
Zero Juliet Whiskey, clear direct BizX.
Direct BizX, 0 Juliet Whiskey. All right, let's see where BizX is. BizX. So we're going to be going on the wrong side of New York City. I thought I was going to go out over the water. All right, so let's do this. We're going to run back with this. We'll get this hooked up over here instead. All right, so I'm going to stop the tape for now. We'll join back up when we get a little closer.
3 Alpha Delta, climbing maintain 5260.
And 0 Juliet Whiskey has the field when it helps.
Citation 0 Juliet Whiskey, roger. You'll be number 2 to the field currently. I got a Skyhawk that's in a left base. They're trying to keep it quick for me.
Autopilot.
November 0 Juliet Whiskey, reduce speed to 170, then descend and maintain 3000.
Okay, we'll slow to 170, then down to 3000, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Sierra 7 Whiskey Foxtrot, turn 15 degrees right, vector for the sequence.
15 right, Whiskey Fox.
November 0 Whiskey November, turn 15 degrees left, vector for the sequence.
15 degrees left, vector for sequence, 82 Whiskey November.
Citation 0 Juliet Whiskey, turn left heading 180.
180, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Number 7 Whiskey Foxtrot, turn left heading 080, intercept the 5 right localizer.
080, intercept the localizer, 461 Whiskey Fox.
Number 0 Juliet Whiskey, turn right heading 235. Sorry, I just got to, you'll be number 3 of the field. I was going to try to fit you in between a Skyhawk on a base and a Cirrus, but they're going 180, and it'll just be tough with the Skyhawk going 100 knots currently.
All right, 230 on the heading, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Airport inside Whiskey Fox.
Heading 270.
That was blocked.
Number 0 Whiskey November, turn left heading 270.
270 for 80 Whiskey November.
Sierra 7 Whiskey Foxtrot, descend and maintain 3000. Do you have Greensboro on site?
Greensboro Insight 3000, Whiskey Foxtrot.
Sierra 7 Whiskey Foxtrot, cleared visual approach runway 5 right and tower 19-1. If you could keep your speed up for me.
Keep my speed up, cleared visual for 5 right, over to tower 460.
And Citation 0 Juliet Whiskey, traffic for you to follow is currently about 10 o'clock and 4 miles is a Sierra 4000.
Yeah, we're looking 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Sky 64 Golf, contact tower 119.1.
Contact tower 119.1.
Greensboro approach, Skyhawk 5469 kilo, level at 6,300 VFR.
Skyhawk 5469 kilo, Greensboro approach, Greensboro altimeter 3005.
3005, 69 kilo.
Approach Envoy 3886, 2,300 for 5,000, run ahead.
Envoy 3886, Greensboro departure radar contact, climb and maintain 12000.
Climb and maintain 12000, Envoy 3886.
Number 0 Juliet Whiskey, turn left heading 140.
140 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Iconic 362, turn right heading 235, vector downwind.
Right, 235, vector is Iconic 362.
And Citation 0 Juliet Whiskey, Greensboro's off your left wing in about 14 miles if you still have it in sight.
We've got the field in sight, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Citation 0 Juliet Whiskey, cleared visual approach runway 5 right.
Clear visual 5 right, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Envoy 3886, turn left heading 360.
Left 360, Envoy 3886.
And approach Iconic 362, we're going to blow all the way down to 170, I hope that is okay.
Iconic 362, roger, reduce speed to 170, then descend and maintain 4000.
First 170, then descend 4000, Iconic 362.
Number 0 Whiskey November, turn right heading 350, traffic for you to follow is currently about 2 to 3 o'clock and 5 miles of Citation at 3000.
350 for 80 Whiskey November.
Envoy 3886, turn left direct Tricia.
Left direction, Envoy 3886.
Number 0 Whiskey November, make straight in for runway 5 right.
Straight in for 5 right, 80 Whiskey November, thank you.
Envoy 3886, contact Atlanta Center 128.8, have a good one.
28, see Envoy 3886.
Iconic 362, traffic at your 12 to 1 o'clock and about 10 miles southeastbound is a Grumman VFR 5500.
Looking, and we're going down to 4000 now, Iconic 362.
Roger. Grumman 7 Sierra Zulu, traffic at your 10 o'clock and about 7 miles southwestbound is a Challenger 5300 descending to 4000. Citation 0 Juliet Whiskey, contact tower 119.1, have a good one.
Go over to tower, 0 Juliet Whiskey, good day. Greensboro Tower, Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, visual 5 right.
Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, Greensboro Tower, runway 5 right, cleared to land.
Cool down 5 right, 300 Juliet Whiskey. Speed checks. Slowing nicely.
Greensboro Tower, 80 Whiskey November.
RV 780 Whiskey November, Greensboro Tower, runway 5 right, cleared to land.
5 right, clear to land, 80 Whiskey November.
Sierra 7 Whiskey Foxtrot, turn left at Kilo 1, contact ground point 9.
Kilo 1, ground point 9, 460 Whiskey Fox.
Autopilot.
All right, autopilot's away. We're green, no red, lights are on, flaps are full.
500.
Checks. Alright, y'all damps away to before landing checks are complete. Oh, don't be bopping me around now. Come on, don't be ballooning up. There we go.
Ground, good afternoon. Mitsubishi 860 Mike Alpha at Swift Air Hangar, ready to taxi with Mike.
Mitsubishi 8 Mike Alpha, contact ground point 9er.